Now I'll show you how to edit product variants in bulk. So with dropshipping items, you get a lot of variants maybe that you don't want to carry. Maybe you want only 2 colors instead of 6 for one product. So you can easily remove them from your store or change the price or change quantity or something like that. So you can easily do it from the product page. So obviously go to all products and select the product you want to work on. Scroll down to variants, and now you can choose to work on all variants or only on, for example, on one of them like a black or camouflage. But I'll show you how to work on all of them first. So select all. And here you can choose to open bulk editor. Or under more actions, you can edit prices, edit quantities, add extra images, remove images, edit country, codes of origin, delete variants, so you can delete all of them, or just selected few. You can choose to continue selling when out of stock or duplicate variants. So I will open bulk editor. And here we can edit the variants exactly how we did with products or pages. We can choose to edit SKU, price, compared price on or add extra fields such as barcode, truck quantity, weight, if it requires shipping, where it's shipped from, fulfillment service, and so on. So it's very easy to edit those variants. So simply if you want to work on something else, just select it, and then you can choose, for example, the change the weight of each variant if you decided to have a weight-based shipping, or add different fields like charge taxes or something even different. If you want to go back, simply click the go back button. Now you can choose to edit only one of the variants, so click the one that you want to work on, like just a color or just a size. Let's say I want to work on the black variant. So automatically Shopify allows us to select all of the black variants. I can do the same thing. So edit, remove images, edit quantities, edit prices, or open bulk editor. So I want to show because it's exactly the same thing as I did previously. So I'll deselect it. Or you can also work on individual variants. So click on edit next to a variant. And here you can edit it in more detail. So it requires a lot of work, but if you just want to edit one variant, it is it gives you much more control, obviously. When you make any changes, simply click save. So let's say I want to remove one of the variants. So let's say I want to remove leopard or leopard harnesses. No, red, sorry. So I want to remove red, so I clicked on red and it selected red here. And what I can do under more actions, I'll simply click delete variants and click on delete, so click to confirm, and the variants are now deleted. So I haven't got them now. So this is how easy to work on the variants. And obviously after you make any changes, you need to click save.